Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. Well, it's Wednesday again, and I think we should start as usual. Nothing else to do from the morning than a nice review of the market. Morning, Christian. Morning, Bucur. Morning, Christian. Morning, Catalin. Rado. Nice market. Nice strength in Bitcoin. And I think altcoins will follow. So let's start with Bitcoin. We took all the liquidity. We took all the liquidity here. We have one more point here. And then we'll have a new all-time high. That's really strong. We had the 69 breakout. We didn't have the retest. At some point in time, sooner or later, we'll have a retest at 69. But for the moment, we are in the phase of breaking, taking the liquidity. We'll go to the all-time high and we'll push higher without looking back, and we'll go retest 69 maybe in a couple of weeks. Possible. But the idea is that this phrase, this thinking, repeat after me, market is strong, was the best decision for us. Not to try to short everything. Well, if you are a scalper, we can try that, but with a 0.5% risk per trade, just small amounts, just to test the market. Overall, like I said, and I'll say it again, don't short the market. Market is strong. I don't think we'll stay here without taking the liquidity, at least taking the all-time high. And some of you know what price discovery means. You don't know where this one will stop. Price discovery. It's something new. We should expect something unexpected. We can push all the way up to 80, maybe even higher. We don't know that. What I told you is that in the election, close to the election, we'll have volatility, and I think we have that. That doesn't mean we'll push all the way up and never come back. We can get a bad news or a rumor or something, another attempt on Trump, and we can go 10K to the downside in a nanosecond. So be extra careful. Don't be the last to buy here. Remember, the market is strong. Don't try to short. Don't try to outperform. It's catching falling knives to the upside, which is even worse. Because to the downside you have some steps, you have some levels to respect. To the upside, from now on, nothing. So indicators on daily, you can see RSI, it's in the overbought area, which is not bearish. If we'll stay there, it's a strong signal. Look what happened last time. I'll just give you one example. Here at 52, RSI got in the overbought area and stayed there until here, almost. And look what happened in this period. From here to all this, until we had bearish divergence. Then we managed to push back down. But don't say that RSI in the overbought area, it's bearish. Look at here. Similar. Okay? We pushed all up. So please don't think that RSI in overbought it's bearish. It's actually a sign of a lot of strength. We'll take the all-time high today or tomorrow? Probably. Pretty fast. It's too close for that level. We can get a retracement back at 69. I hope so. I think it's reasonable to think that. The Moon Boys now are active again. When we are here at 60, 50, 65, everyone was bearish. Now everyone is bullish. Not the best sign, but it is what it is. Morning, Stefan. It's strong. Let's respect that. And by the way, let's switch to Ethereum. Don't short Ethereum anymore. Please, don't do it. Leave it alone. Hunt with Holy Grail to the upside, or just leave it alone. It's too late. Don't, even on the scalping level. If you're not sharp enough, don't short Ethereum. Okay, we made some money, Ethereum was underperforming, it's almost over. Don't tell me that I didn't warn you. Okay, you can see here this is a support now, 2500. I don't see the risk to reward to the downside anymore, but to the upside I see a lot of potential. So yeah, was underperforming until now, but I think it's time to just leave it alone. We can get another week, yeah. We should bet on that, no. Ethereum will probably start to recover the gap. Indicators on Ethereum all over the place, but OBV is strong. No? OBV is strong, is making Ws, and I think Ethereum will recover some ground. How much? We'll see. Bitcoin dominance. Well, on daily we touched 60% and we stopped. It's enough? I don't know. I don't see a daily M, so I'll have to go on 4-hour chart to see something. Well, I still don't see an M. So we'll do a V top there, possible at 60. Everyone waited for 60 now are buying altcoins with Bitcoin, maybe. Hi, Grega. So that's the idea here. We'll touch 61.8 or not. We'll M out. I need to see an M on 4-hour chart for me to do something. We have a 3-bar fractal for the moment. Now you can see now it's confirming the 3-bar fractal. 1, 2, kind of not the best one here. Depending on the time frame, you'll see the Bitcoin dominance is changing the levels, which I don't like. That nothing I can do. No? And you can see here we have some bearish divergence trying to form, to confirm some yams to do something. No? If we confirm this one, bearish divergence, well, that's nice. So let's keep an eye here at the important level. Let's not forget about Bitcoin dominance and see what we can get from it. A confluence will be more than enough to be more aggressive on altcoins. We have Holy Grail to play that idea. It is the perfect time for Holy Grail. Everyone from Premium, VIP should have Holy Grail. If you don't have it, guys, if you don't have it, DM me with your TradingView username and I'll give you access. Yeah, it's a bonus for Premium and VIP. Everyone from that part should have Holy Grail. We are teaching Holy Grail setups in Capua 1 and Capua 2. Actually, in Capua 2 today I'll have to do the live stream about Holy Grail. A deep dive levels and how it's formed and how you can manipulate that one and play with it and some things about Holy Grail. Now, if I'll see the perfect scenario will be an EM here or a head and shoulder pattern, but you know, it's crypto. Not every time is perfect. So let's see what we can get. Now, Ethereum versus Bitcoin, I need daily. Yeah. Daily indicators. Look at RSI here on daily. This RSI is telling a story. Who wants to hear it? Okay. We have bullish divergence confirmed already on daily here. Can you see it? Low, lower low, low, higher low. W confirmed here on or is confirming anyway. Yeah? Don't short Ethereum. If you manage to put Holy Grail on it and play the long side, do it. Just my 2 cents. Let's see 4-hour chart. I saw something nice. Well, look at the W. This is a W I should take. Look at it. Look at the W's, at the bullish divergence here. Look at the W on OBV. Look at the location for this W. This is a W you should take. Doesn't matter if this one will be a loss, but you have an advantage, and if you take this trade 100 times, you'll make money. It's all that matters. So, 4-hour chart, that's another reason. Don't short Ethereum anymore, please. Okay. And the worst case scenario will go down and you'll not make money. And the best case scenario will push and you'll save some money. Okay, back on daily. DXY touched 61.8 yesterday and backing off. We have support. Straight up, I don't think is the case. I think we'll retest, but nothing we can get from more from DXY. It's just a nice move to the upside. The other template here is similar. Total market cap, a new high here, which is nice. Yeah, higher highs and higher lows makes a uptrend. Total 2, it's behind, but not for long. This is like a coiling market. Okay, it's coiling, and will explode. That move probably will come from Ethereum. I don't know, maybe yes, maybe no. Total 3, similar. Is staying here, is like waiting for Bitcoin dominance. No, it's not waiting for Bitcoin dominance, but it's the market is waiting for something. Either to Trump to win, either we'll get another dip, but it's coiling here, it's compressing, and will explode. We'll do like usually we get in crypto, a fake out in one direction, then break out in the other. Possible, probable, who knows? We'll have to wait and see. And yes, on daily, well, on daily, not too many things we can say. Let's hide the drawings. Oh, you can see, strong like bull, nothing to complain. If I'll put the ink back, we are still in the uptrend channel. Now, I think 4-hour chart, it's a bit better for this one. And you can see we are playing a range here. We are playing a range, or let's just say this range on one time frame is just a step for another move higher on a different time frame. Yeah? We are fighting these levels, and if we'll accept back above, we can push higher. AB equals CD is pointing out here, and this level is too close to $6,000. Big fat round number. You think we'll miss that level? I don't think so. So let's see what we can get. For the moment it's going sideways, and if we are thinking range here, well, we are in a short 3 low zone, but you can see low, high, higher low, higher high, and I think we can start pushing up again. Just my 2 cents. On lower time frames, let's see. I have Ethereum here. Well, by the way, let's look at the calendar. I forgot about that one. News in Europe, high impact, so watch out on that. And then we have GDP growth in the New York session, when the New York session will start. So we have some big news. Tomorrow we'll have even more. You can see here, tomorrow we'll have even more news. It's okay-ish to trade. We'll not stop trading because we have news. We'll not trade in the news. That's the idea. Okay, now back on Ethereum. As you can see, I have the volume profile here, and I'm looking for long ideas here. I could activate the Holy Grail, and you can see it's active, and you can see it's well respected. If you want an entry with Holy Grail, wait for an entry with Holy Grail. I think the potential, the big potential on Ethereum now, it's to the upside, not to the downside anymore. Bitcoin is is going to the all-time high, and you are betting short on Ethereum. Just if you don't understand that, what that means, write it down. Maybe you'll see how silly it is. Yeah. This is my 2 cents. So Bitcoin is making all-time highs, and you are shorting Ethereum. Good luck. Okay, so you can get entries with Holy Grail on 5-minute chart. This is 15-minute chart. Yeah. Play 15-minute chart if you want. It's even easier to play that one. You need more patience, but let's put 5-minute chart. Well, there you go. An uptrend again here. We had an entry in the morning. Will start performing? Well, I don't know. You can see the POC is here, the volume is here. We'll probably fill this gap and push higher. But it's still dependent on Bitcoin. Bitcoin has to stay strong. If Bitcoin will stay strong, Ethereum could start outperforming. Well, let's see Bitcoin on the 5-minute chart, 50-minute chart. Let's hide this one. So we had yesterday nice volatility. Here I said, well, maybe if we're lucky we'll get a fill on this volume gap. No, market said, no, Paul, we need higher. And we pushed higher. Now we are just filling the holes in the profile from yesterday. You can see. That doesn't make the price bearish. No? We can go all the way back down to test this level or even a bit lower. No? I don't think it's anything bad. This SFU is not valid anymore. I see a setup here. Well, not quite. It's consolidating. So I prefer to focus on altcoins. I already posted some, let's say, risky trades on some altcoins on higher time frame. I said, well, it's a good level. Let's take it. Why? Altcoins could explode really fast. Some of them. Let's see what will happen. No, Grega, no short. Why too short? You sell the rumor, buy the news there. Because it's a bearish event, people will try to anticipate and will try to short. In the news, you'll see some volatility, and then you think people who will get that unlock will sell in this environment? If you'll get unlock now, you'll sell? You'll sell TIA now? Anyone from here will sell TIA in this environment at this price? Or you say, well, fuck it, I will stake it. This is my 2 cents. So wait for a dip and try to hunt a W and buy it. Not now, after the, so in the, if you see a dip in the unlock. Yeah. But that news is there from a long time. Why do you think TIA is underperforming? Why do you think TIA is underperforming for so long? Everyone knows about that 80% unlock. I didn't know it's 80%. It's a big number, really big. But everyone knows. Why do you think that one is underperforming? You are getting you are in the top of the market and you get an unlock and everyone will sell, or you are getting in a exponential bull market and you want to buy. What's your overall plan? To buy or to sell here? I'm not okay with nothing on the short side except Bitcoin on lower time frame. If you are a scalper, a day trader, okay, short. If you are not, don't even think about it. Wait patiently for a dip, and then when you get a W, try to buy it. Well, yeah, Abdullah, you saw what happened with ONFI being delisted from Binance. You saw what happened. From $2 to $9. Pretty simple. Bad news. People shorted. Everyone saw that news, and well, let's short. Easy money, free money, let's short. And Binance said, buy. Yeah, it was the Binance move there. Binance said, well, if you want to put the chart, I don't think it's the case. Just look at that coin on daily chart and you'll understand what I'm saying. Now, Bitcoin here. Well, I think it's Wednesday. It's making a symmetrical triangle, which will lower the volatility until it will explode again. Nothing special. Could test the all-time high today? Yeah. Yeah, exactly, Stefan. Well, when everyone was selling at $2, Stefan asked me, I even have the print screen. Stefan asked me what is happening, everyone is shorting. And I said, well, at the bottom? Well, it's delisting. I don't care. It's delisting. We can trade it anywhere else? Yeah, we have. Okay, then let's buy. We got a short until the next morning. Simple as that. If unfortunately it was in the night, because well, we have to sleep. If that move was in the daytime, we can make more money in a move like that. Yeah. So now I'm not a fan of shorting anything, Grega, and I'm really serious about that. It's not a good environment to short. It's just not. Okay. So here on Bitcoin range, you look at the yesterday. Yesterday we had some volume. We had a big range. Yeah. Now for today you can see small, but we can look back, look left yesterday and see the volume. It's still a valid a print here. Yeah? You can see like a fingerprint what happened yesterday. You can see the volume. I can see, well, the POC is at 71, so we have $1,000 to go down. Here we have some MEMS. Well, I don't know. It's enough for an AB equals CD to the downside on 3-minute chart? Possible. I'll short. I need more than that. I don't have a setup for the moment, per se. I could see an LJ there. Yeah? I could see an LJ here, YAM, and breaking down, at least to the POC. And if you take this YAM, for example, if you take this YAM to the POC, you have a 3-1 or at least a 2.5. Let's see. Let's assume that we'll short here. Our stop loss should be here, not the new one, the other one. And let's put the POC as a target, okay? POC is good for a take profit. And you can see 2.3. I was close. I'm getting old and my eyes are not so sharp. So I missed it with 0.2%. No? So you can take this, yeah. Could be a fake out? Probably it is, but 2-1, 50% win rate, it's more than enough. If I'll see the market dropping, maybe I'll not short, but if I'll see the market dropping at this POC and I'll see some W's or I see something, I'll try to take it. Now, that's the Bitcoin and Ethereum on lower time frames. For the rest, I prefer 4-hour chart. Let's start with a nice one, which is Aevo. We have one trade here, still in, and I decided to play this one. W, breakout, and retest. You can see we had the retest. If we'll push higher, why not? Why not? It's a W in a nice location. I'll miss that? No. When I see W's in this location and in this environment with Bitcoin hitting all-time high, no. I'll take every fucking W I'll see. Yeah, I don't care if I'll be stopped out on some of them. My win rate says I should be right. I should make money 50 to 55 to 60% of the time. Yeah. Last check and the last couple of hundred of trades was 56. Well, I'm more than happy with that. So, I'll take it. I'll take every fucking WLC. Take it, live with the results. Take it. I could get 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 stop losses in a row. Yeah, doesn't matter. The environment is so strong. The location is so good that I'll take every trade I'll see. Respecting the risk management and total risk per portfolio. We have some conditions in the plan. We are not just going, moon boy, well, we'll go to the moon. No. So Aevo, you can get another retracement. Maybe if you split the chart a little bit, go on lower time frame, you can see some levels. I think this level, 33 cents, 34, 33 point something. Here in this area, it's a good level to think long. Alt, well, I said megaphone, you can see no W. If we'll push higher, so be it, but I'll still wait for a W. If you'll go without me, so be it. There are a lot of altcoins that they will give me a W, so I don't have to chase everything. Doge, I said don't think chasing here on Doge, but don't short either. Just leave it alone. If you are long on Doge, okay, trail. We are long, some of us. We are long on Doge, and you saw what happened. No? I just closed yesterday 50% at 20R. So I made 10R guaranteed. I cannot lose that money anymore. It's in my account. And I'm trading the rest. So most of the profit it's in my profit because I have the stop loss in profit. Don't chase here, but I don't see why you should short here. The environment is too bullish. Elon Musk will come back and will say, well, if Trump wins, just have to say it again. Nothing new, just to say it again. Well, he will be in the government with, I don't know, the how you say Doge. But he was damn smart to that move. He was damn smart. He let the market cool off, everything consolidating, and in the election he brought Doge up again in a strong manner, something really nice. You should appreciate that. So don't short here, but don't chase either. Just leave it alone. See what happens. If it will come back down, buy some. Doji, well, it's fighting $2. Why I say it's fighting $2 and I assumed already it's fighting $2? Well, I saw some posts from their Twitter saying, well, when will reach $2 today or tomorrow? And that made me think, motherfuckers have sell orders there. I have sell orders at $2? No. I'll sell half on a double and that's it. I will not sell anything more than half on a double. We reloaded at 80 cents here last time. We sold here. We didn't manage to reload. Nothing to sell. If the market will come back down and will give me a reload, okay. If not, just no. You can see long reload zone. It's at $1. If something will happen and will come back at $1, I'll reload again. If not, let's just leave it alone. The high was $5. In a bullish environment could go to 10, 20, even more. Why I should be in a hurry to sell here? I need that money now to pay my bills? No. I'm playing safe. I'm playing with a plan. Just leave it alone. Okay, dimension, 4-hour chart, nice location, but again, ugly here. I don't see W, clear one. So I'll wait. Fat. I see an ugly W with ugly tails here. You want to take it, it's up to you. I'll prefer on FED, I'll be honest, I'll prefer to wait at $1. Why? You know why. This one, you can see I have an alarm. Why do you think I have an alarm there? I want to buy that fucking level. That's why. It's strong, why not? I'll give it a chance here. I still have to decide if I'll put the stop loss all the way down or this, I have one low, 2 lows, 3 lows, if this is enough for me. No? I'll decide that. Let's see if I'll get the alarm trigger. Manta. You can do the same here. Yeah? You can see. Going back down here, that will give us a nice area to hunt along. Osmo. I don't see the W. I see kind of a potential V bottom. It's strong enough to do a V bottom? I don't know. I'm hoping to be nice and clean and give me an entry. Pite is strong. Don't chase it. I said it here. I'll say it here again. Don't chase it. Wait for a setup. Saga. Well, I said if we'll come back here. Didn't come back here. But we don't have a W, not even on 4-hour chart. I should chase. Some people ask, well, what about Saga? Well, had a nice location, some bullish divergence, but give me a W. Well, we don't have. We don't trade. It's that simple. We have bullish divergence, okay? Everything is nice and clean, but give me the W. You can anticipate a long reload zone here. Yeah? You can do it on lower time frame. Well, let's do something like this. We have swing low, swing high, retracement. And let's see. Well, there you go. Long reload zone is telling me it's in my entry. I'll wait here. Yeah. I'll take it, assuming that this level, this low will hold. Yeah. It's risky. Yeah, I'll risk max 1%. That's it. But if we'll get here, I'll try to hunt along ID. I could go on 5-15 minute chart and hunt a W and try to get even a better window of risk. But I don't see why. Because entry is at 1.9 and stop loss is at 1.78. Come on, it's good enough. Solana. Don't short Solana. Look at the divergence, okay, but Solana is strong. As long as meme coins are pumping, Solana could go to $200 in no time. So don't short Solana. And please don't ask me, where you should short Solana. Tau, well, he's lagging, but actually lagging and going sideways is bullish. Yeah? Why I say that? Well, because some motherfuckers, some influencers, fuck around with this chart and they push it too hard and the price pushed higher. And now is nobody's left to buy it. They sold, they hit their levels, and now no one trusts this one anymore. And needs to consolidate to find where is the right wall, where is the left wall, where is the bottom, where it has more business to do, where the buyers will step in. Yeah, kind of idea. We'll consolidate. If the entire market will break down, probably we'll see $350. We are waiting for that level. Maybe we can see deeper. But also we can form here a bot setup and we can push higher and do an AB equals D to the upside. $800, $850, $900. Nothing bad. For the moment we have some W, some retest, but I think it's going sideways. Okay. And TIA. We talked about TIA. Well, let's look at TIA. And if we discussed about TIA, let's do something nice with TIA. Let's start with weekly, because someone said about TIA. Okay. What do we have here for everyone? We have where we started, $2, straight up. Everyone is buying TIA, is taking TIA, will go to the moon. $100 is it's fear and I don't know how they say. Anyway, and then no more buyers. Slowly back down at close to the original place. Well, let's just look at the chart and just discuss. We are in a bullish environment, that's for sure. The bottom was at $2. The top was at $22. The market is at $5. From 5 to 2 is $3. From 5 to 20 it's $15. It's a good location, just without technical analysis. Just in your mind, it's a good location to short. Has 80% unlock? Well, probably some of that will go to staking. Some of will hit the market. So I'll short here? No, but if I'll see the market coming back down here at 3.7, maybe lower, I'll buy with two hands. It's just me. We don't have a daily W or weekly W there. But that makes the market bearish? No. Now let's go on daily. We have Ws. Well, we had a W breakout. Now we have some M's breakdown. That means we'll go sideways. What I should do, I should put some limit orders here at 3.9. Like I said, look at the liquidity here. You think we can take that liquidity in the close to the event? I think so. Just my 2 cents. I played this one. Made some money. I'm in a free position here. I'll wait. If I'll get stopped out, probably I'll get stopped out. Not a big deal. But I'll wait lower with limit orders. I have some cash for a situation like this and I'll buy it. And after I'll buy it, I'll look at the chart and maybe I'll say, well, it's too late for shots. It's too late. I'll just put it on staking and forget about it. What do you say about that? Could be a plan. I don't know exactly how much. I don't care actually. I don't care because I don't want to sell. Even if it will be 90%, I don't want to short. If I have some, I'm not selling here. If I'm looking at the chart, I'm not allowed to even dream about shorting this level. So, okay, bring it. Give me lower levels. Buy the dip. Classic. Could be 80, could be 50. I'm not interested in shorting. The location here is to buy the dip. If we'll dip more, okay, do that. If I'll have to wait for another W below $3.5, I'll wait for that if will be the case. But I'm not selling. We are in the late 2024, close to 2025, close to the exponential move on crypto. And I'm shorting? Nah, sorry. Okay, yes. We discussed this one. I don't think it's the case to do anything else. You can see this uptrend channel. You can see what we can push higher. We'll attack this level and we'll push higher probably. We'll see. For the moment, I see range. I see consolidation like here. When we'll finish and we'll push higher, I don't know. If we'll push higher, I think so, but no way to know that. So that's the review on the short list. Holy Grail. Yesterday I was stopped out because I was stupid. I'll be honest. I was stupid. Me, with my indicator, with my rules, with everything I have, I moved the stop loss too damn close here. Why I did that? Don't ask me. Just because I'm human and I'm doing stupid mistakes. Yeah? My stop loss should be one fucking step lower and I should be safe and profit now. But I moved my stop loss here. I was aggressive. Well, look what happened. Took my stop loss on the dot and said bye-bye. Now I'm waiting for new entries and I could see some here. Well, that tells us that I'm just a regular guy like everyone else. Don't think I'm smarter or I'm better than you guys. No, I just maybe a bit more consistent and some experience more. Some, not too much. So I got stopped out on my own setup. And now I'm begging for a new entry and I'm waiting for a new entry. Well, next bus. It happens. On the other one, I got stopped out. On Tau, I got stopped out at scratch. A little bit in profit. Well, fuck is Tau. Symbols, Tau. Let's change. Okay. So, on Tau, I got stopped out here. Yeah, at the entry, not a big deal. Next bus. But you can see, it's a good idea to respect your stop loss, respect the Holy Grail rules. I took the stop loss. Next bus. Seems like it's forming something else here. Maybe if we form a nice trend, I could take this one. Why not? If you play with Holy Grail, you should expect 5, 10 stop losses in a row. But also you should expect 20R, 30R, 50R. So it's profitable overall. Okay, now Holy Grail, let's take a look at the strong ones. Just a brief look. People, if you need this indicator, if you want this indicator, join Premium is the cheapest way. I'm not saying join VIP. VIP is for people who have a good portfolio. They don't have time to find ideas. They know how to find ideas, but they don't have the time. They know how to trade. And they all just go on VIP, pay a small amount of money and make a lot more. Because someone will feed them with ideas. Their alarm will trigger, you'll see the complete idea, you'll take it and you'll make money. But Premium is to learn, to discuss with us, to see the community. Then you can get access to more tools. You'll hear me blabbing in the New York session every day, things like that. So you can see here, strong, if we'll get an entry, why not? This one, similar. We just got an entry in the morning. I missed it. Next bus. But look at the uptrend. You can see 1 entry, 2 entries, 3 entries, 4 entries, 5, 6. And the market is pushing higher. When you have a trend, Holy Grail is your friend. If you don't have a trend, don't touch it because in a range is not working. It's made by me specifically to chase the trend. I said that multiple times. I learned to trade from TRI and I didn't have a tool to chase in a trend. Brian was always saying, well, wait for a long reload and for a pump chaser zone. Don't do that, don't do that. And I thought to myself, well, when I have a clear trend and I don't have enough retracement, I'll stay out and lose the juicy part of the profit? No, let's find something. And I find something and I tested a lot of things and I managed to make this algo. So when you have a trend is working really nice, the best tool ever. Look at here. Okay, entry here, ride it. You can see where we are having an entry here. Will this one perform? I don't know. I could get interested in that one. Say, similar. Look at this one. So when you have a trend, the best friend of yours. When it's a range, don't touch it. Look at it. When it's a range here, don't touch it because it's not performing. Even if you take these kind of moves here, well, overall, I think if it's a small range, okay, you can lose money. But if it's a bigger range, you'll make enough money to cover your losses. But why you should work in a range for nothing when you can stay out? So this indicator is made specifically for trends. And I could go on the entire list. Yeah. Let's watch Bitcoin dominance, see if we'll see signs of aiming out and stopping the move up. We can be more aggressive hunting with this one. Yeah. Another thing, people ask me, well, is not too late? When you are chasing a trend with this indicator, you are not assuming that the trend is over. You are assuming that the trend will continue. You don't know. If you took the trade at here, at this level, you know if the market will push higher. No. You take it and you have a stop loss. Either it will hit your stop loss, either it will go up. Here, the same. If the market will give you an entry, you don't have any way to know the future if it will push or not. You are in a trend, you are assuming any retracement is a buying opportunity. ATR levels are the best to keep you in a trend. So there you go. Okay. Anything else? Meme coins? I don't feel the need to go on meme coins. Someone, V from VIP, posted this one in a nice environment, in a nice price, and nobody took this trade. Someone in here, I don't know exactly where. And look what happened, more than 10x. Well, I don't think now that if you bought this one, you should ride everything up and never sell. No, you had temptations here, you have temptations here. So you'll not get the max reward. Don't think like that. But anyway, nice move to the upside. I missed the bus and I said I'll not do anything until I'll see a proper retracement in the long reload zone. I'm not chasing a meme coin. I'm not. It's just me. Could this one do another 10x? Yeah. But without me, that's for sure. Okay. I could go and look at a lot of them, but I don't see whales. If you remember that meme coin, it's not a meme coin in whales actually, has a daily W here. Whales has a working product, 3.5 million market cap. The low was here, you can see, I don't know, 2.7, 2.5, and we have a daily W. If this is not a sign of bottom, I don't know what it is. It's up to you guys. Okay. I'm talking more than 40 minutes. Let's do some requests fast. I see Chili's on 4-hour chart and nothing more. Huh? Okay, I'll do that. If it's 4-hour chart, I'll take futurist market. I'll start with daily. Okay, what do we have here on daily? Well, first of all, we have power of 3 here, kind of. Yeah. And up, down, uptrend forming. Not strong, not exponential for the moment, so we can safely say, well, fuck it, give me long reload zone. Huh? I could see the market testing this level. Don't chase. Okay. Look at that, 5 cents. Testing the initial double, it's a normal thing in crypto. Okay. Will happen immediately? No, we have a straight down move and we'll consolidate and maybe we'll a week to that level. That's a limit order. You put the limit order there and you risk to here and that's it. I see a setup on daily here. No, we're above 61.8. On daily, nothing special on indicators. Nothing special. Let's see 4-hour chart. Okay. So, 4-hour chart. Let's see what we have. Uptrend. We had an uptrend. We are still in that uptrend because we didn't broke this low. But seems like we are consolidating. We are losing steam here. Indicators. In the top we have clear bearish divergence. I see some bullish divergence forming on MACD. But only on MACD, I don't see anything on anything else. No. Even on 4-hour chart, I'll prefer to take other trades, not this so-called W here. I don't like it. If you want to play LJ, it's possible. Ugly top here, but an LJ, it's an LJ. W the other side of the trend line. So if you'll get something like this, why not? I'll prefer something like this to happen here, yeah, but it's not up to me. So LJ, if you are bullish, really bullish, or wait in the long reload zone for this red level. Okay. Well, I think let's see. Neir on goat. Well, let's take a look at let's keep the meme coins out for the moment, Jaya. If you are a premium member, you have the DGen channel and it's full of meme coin and analysis and people talking about meme coins there. Yeah? We have DGen channel specifically made for that you can find Carol there, you can find Julian, you can find Stefan. Everyone is talking about meme coins in that channel, and I'm trying to keep the discussion on meme coins on that channel, not in the public live streams. Briefly, from time to time, I'll discuss. Okay, now let's see. NGL. Let's do something new, because where I see the coins I already discussed, I discussed them. NGL. Oh, KuCoin. Gold fever. Gold fever. Oh, not bad. Let's start with daily. Okay. Tell me the time frame you said daily. Let's see daily. Daily could give me a overall print. Yeah. Well, seems like the fever dropped. It doesn't have a fever anymore, which is not bad. Well, classically on daily, what I could tell you, this one is kind of sketchy, kind of ugly. But in the same time, weeks it's ugly to trade something like this. Yeah? So if you are an investor or a trader of a higher time frame, little old lady, dollar cost average is the best approach here. You can see the weeks, the tails could get ugly as well. So classically, I should tell you to wait at 78.6 here. No? To wait for the altcoin reload zone. So here in this area, for something like this, I think that's the best. Anyway, any W below 61.8 with bullish divergence should be considered. And you can see we have bullish divergence forming on MACD. It's confirmed already, this one. And OBV, it's damn strong, which makes me think that you can start dollar cost average, you can use little old lady, or you can wait for a daily W here. If it will happen at 78.6, usually in altcoins you'll see the W at 78.6, but that doesn't mean you cannot see it in the long reload zone here. Okay? Take the first daily W, don't bet your house. My problem is that here, 1 second, to move this one. This level needs a retest. It's that simple. A week here, if you have a limit order here, you can be a happy camper. If you put a limit order here, stop loss all the way down, or if you are using little old lady, no stop loss, dollar cost average, no stop loss. Okay? So that's higher time frame. Lower time frame I don't suggest, because you can see weeks are ugly. Okay. Catalina, I think we looked at Ondo yesterday, if I remember correctly. No? OMG on daily. I think we did that yesterday. No? I'll go here and see daily. I'll set on daily and I'll go and see fast what we have. Okay. So Catalin said Ondo on Binance. Well, we are in the range here, and we discussed this one. W, well, if you want, Ondo it's behaving kind of nice here, and you can see the W. It's enough? I don't know, depending. You had the retest here. If it's bullish and strong, the first level you should consider is this one, and as an entry, if you aren't an entry, Catalin. Now, the next one, Ondo NGL we discussed. On the OMG, I think we discussed OMG in a live stream. OMG on crypto, where I could find it. I'll take Bybit, perpetual. Well, I don't see anything special here. Maybe power of 3 if we'll break out and retest on daily. I don't know why you should want this one. Or what do you want to see here? If we'll come back here, maybe, but too much. Just think about it. Too much resistance here. That will behave like a wall here. So let the market test that level, reject, and then if you come back down deep enough, you can take an entry. I said no meme coins. Popcat is too strong. For a meme coin, is not. You cannot consider a meme coin. It's too strong. It's too big now. XM, XFund. You can't remember, Kathleen? Okay. Well, let's take another one. Let's look at Maker and then XM. Okay. Well, on 4-hour chart, 4-hour chart, nothing more. Let's put daily first, okay? This is a V bottom. You should buy a V bottom? I don't think so. If you have some good levels, nice rejection from a big fat round number, $1, which is nice. But you see something convincing here on the indicators? Not. Good pump? Yeah. I'll play this one? No. I'll wait for, like I said, I'll wait for an LJ here or for a W. A W at 78.6 should be a really nice thing. Catching falling knives like this, not a good thing usually. That doesn't mean the market will not pump. It means I don't have a setup and I'll not play that level. Look at the tail. This tail needs a retest at some point in time. And for me, thinking even here, not good enough because of the tail, and then pushing higher here means chasing, so no. XM. XM on Bybit. We discussed this one. At least this one has a proper W here. Guys, it's a bit too late. I need to go on VIP and trade with the guys. Why? I'm a so-called full-time trader, so if I'm not trading, I'm not eating, I'm not paying my bills. I love to live stream, I love to keep the community together, I love to help people, but I have to take care of myself also. Yeah. So if I'm not trading properly and I'm not making money, nobody will come at the end of the month to tell me, well, there is your check. Yeah. So I have a limit because I need to go and trade and respect my plans. Well, this one on KuCoin, you can see, I'll do something like this, put a limit order here and see what happens. Nothing to lose, just some money locked in that order. Yeah? Okay. I think Bitcoin will range a little bit, but it's damn strong. Don't short it. I'll say it again. And focus, I don't know if it's correct or not to say that for the moment. But I think the focus should be on Ethereum on the long side here. For today at least. Yeah? Up to you. Okay guys, see you next time. Leave a like if you want. It's a public video. Share it. Hit the repost button on Crypto Traders Arena because it's a live stream, public, so you can share that with everyone else. Yeah, I see 3 reposts. So if you want to help us and you appreciate this kind of content, go on our X or Twitter, call it whatever you want. Hit the repost and the like. That will force the algorithm to push us a little bit in front, and that will reach for more people. Yeah. I don't want to grow the community too fast, but I want to grow it to make it stronger. Okay, see you guys.